Ever seen a cat sneeze? It's like the cutest little explosion you'll ever hear. But did you know? Cats sneeze for the same reasons we do. Dust, strong smells, or even just a tickle in their nose can set it off. Most of the time, it's harmless, just their way of clearing the airways. Here's a fun fact. Cats can sneeze up to 20 feet per second. That's faster than most humans. Don't worry, it's usually nothing to panic about unless sneezing becomes constant. Then a vet checkup is a must. So next time your kitty sneezes, enjoy the cuteness and maybe cover your drink. Love cats as much as we do? Share this sneezy moment with a friend and follow for more possum cat facts.
Bless you.